guys, welcome to Avita's Kitchen Diary. Today we are making rice flour chocolate mug cake. So let's get started. In a microwave safe bowl, crack in 1 egg. To that, add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. If you are using castor sugar, use 4 tablespoons or adjust it according to the sweetness you like. Then add 3 tablespoons of fine rice flour. Make sure you're using fine rice flour. You don't want coarse rice flour here. Then add 2 tablespoons of natural cocoa powder. You can even use Dutch presses, but I used natural cocoa powder. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and half tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of water. You can also use milk instead of water, and then mix it well until the sugar is properly dissolved. Next, add quarter teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 tablespoon of water so that everything mixes really well, and give it a good mix. And now it's ready to go in the microwave. I even added some milk chocolate chips, but these are optional. Also, as a side note, this batter is enough for 2 mug cakes. Now place the bowl in a microwave and microwave it at the highest power. Mine is 900 watts. I did set the timer for 3 minutes, but the cake was ready in little over 2 minutes, so just keep an eye on it. Once it stops inflating, it's probably done. So here is how the cake looks after it's cooked. And here you can see this cake looks exactly like your normal microwave mug cake. In fact, you can't even tell that it's made of rice flour. It's super soft and spongy, as you can see. Here is the closer look of its texture. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, because I love this recipe and I hope you do too. Because honestly, it doesn't feel like it's gluten free or is made of rice flour, and the texture is super fluffy and moist, just like your normal chocolate cake. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.